part of my onboarding, I'm recording this session on JFrog platform interaction. I'll explore how JFrog's suite of products revolutionized software delivery pipelines, enabling organizations to achieve continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment with ease. So the JFrog is focused on managing the flow of binaries and metadata relationship between them. JFrog Artifactory enables organizations to easily and securely manage binaries and software artifacts at scale across the entire software development lifecycle, built to runtime to a device. At the core of a JFrog ecosystem lies Artifactory, the universal repository manager, the central point that connects and orchestrates various facets of the software development and development lifecycle. Artifactory supports a myriad of packages, formats, and integration are seamless with the CI/CD pipeline, ensuring a smooth and efficient flow of software artifacts. Thanks to extensive metadata stored by Artifactory, the context of your own software factory and native integration between Artifactory and X-Ray. It's easy to discover vulnerable packages across your software supply chain, immediately block their usage and fix the vulnerabilities. One of the scenario is JFrog customers greatly benefited using JFrog security tools during the Apache Log4j incident. Artifacts distribution, a solution for managing a software releases and distribution across multiple environments. The advanced security component of Artifact also integrates with the JFrog Connect. This integrates is vital for managing distributed edge of IoT devices, ensuring comprehensive security and up-to-date software across all nodes of your infrastructure, regardless of their region and location. So centralized control and management console for monitoring and managing multiple JFrog instances with the help of a JFrog mission control. JFrog Insights provides you the metrics about the JFrog platform, and you can monitor the various trends, graphs related to distribution, replication, security, and storage, based on historical data collected and stored in the unified JFrog platform. JFrog Pipelines is the next generation CI/CD automation and orchestration tool that embraces and enhances your pipelines process by providing a centralized command and control mechanism across all your DevOps pipelines. So JFrog comes with a freedom of choices such as cloud, self-hosted, SaaS, and or a hybrid, and any of the top cloud providers, which helps to avoid vendor lock-in, manage all technology types in one central infrastructure. At the core of a JFrog ecosystem lies Artifactory, the universal repository manager. It's a central point that connects and orchestrates various facets of the software development lifecycle. Artifactory supports a myriad of packages, formats, integration seamlessly with the CI/CD pipeline, and ensuring a smooth, efficient flow of software artifacts to the speed to market, which streamlines your software delivery pipelines, enables organizations to release your software faster, reduce time to market. JFrog X-Ray provides a real-time vulnerability scanning and license compliance checks, ensuring a software integrity and regulatory compliance. Centralized artifact management fosters collaboration between development, operations, and security teams, facilitating seamless communication and integration. As it says, really easy to use with your DevOps and DevSecOps initiatives to leverage JFrog platform for artifact management, security scanning, and distribution, and much more. In essence, JFrog Artifactory is not just a repository manager, that it ties together the entire JFrog ecosystem, facilitating a seamless, secure, and efficient DevOps and DevSecOps journey. Some of the key benefits of a JFrog Artifactory is the only universal artifact and repository manager that enables full binary lifecycle management across an organization. In a single system, integration with an automation tools to secure integrity, improve observability, and enables the best practices that accelerate production for continuous software updates. Well, let's see how Artifactory integrates in the SDLC and act as a single source of a truth for your artifacts. JFrog Artifactory serves as a single source of a truth for all your software packages, providing a centralized repository to store, manage, and distribute artifacts across the development lifecycle. Artifacts ensure package isolation by securing, storing artifacts in repositories, allowing organizations to manage dependencies, versions, and access control, preventing conflicts and ensuring consistency. With the artifacts, organization can automate package release and promotion workflows, facilitating seamless transition between a development, testing, staging, and production environment, ensuring reliable software releases. Artifactory offers comprehensive package traceability capabilities, enabling users to track artifact provenance, dependencies, and metadata throughout the software supply chain, ensuring a transparency and compliance. Artifact provides robust governance features, allowing organizations to enforce policies, access control, and quality standards for artifacts management, ensuring regulatory compliance, security, and best practices. These key benefits make a JFrog Artifactory an essential tool for organizations looking to streamline their software development and delivery process while ensuring scalability, reliability, and security. JFrog X-Ray supports indexing and scanning of your release bundles, as well as defining watches and policies on release bundles. You can apply a policy on a watch containing a block release bundle, action to prevent distributing a release bundle to edge nodes if it meets a security or a license policy defined by JFrog X-Ray. So JFrog X-Ray provides a comprehensive vulnerabilities detection capabilities, scanning artifacts for security vulnerabilities, license violation, and other security risk. This helps your organization identify, remediate security issues earlier in the software lifecycle. JFrog X-Ray offers advanced component analysis, featuring allowing users to gain insight into a components and dependencies used in the software projects. This includes information on component origins, versions, licenses, and statistics such as usage, enabling a better component management and governance. JFrog X-Ray provides impact analysis capabilities, allowing users to assess the impact of a security vulnerability and policy violation on your software projects. This helps your organization understand the potential risk associated with using a specific component and make informed decisions about their remediation. JFrog X-Ray enables the organization to define and enforce custom security policies and quality gates across your software pipelines. Pretty much they ensure compliance with your internal policies, industry regulations, and best practices, helping to maintain a secure and compliant software supply chain. JFrog X-Ray seamlessly integrates with your CI/CD pipelines, providing continuous security and compliance scanning throughout the software process. This enables automated vulnerability detection and policy enforcement, allowing your team to identify and address issues early in the software development cycle. All these key benefits make a JFrog X-Ray an essential tool for your organization looking to enhance security, compliance, reliability of your software supply chain, enabling them to deliver secure and high quality software at scale. So JFrog distribution is a centralized platform that lets you provision a software release distribution. It is a core part of your JFrog enterprise, managing a release bundles and their distribution process, including a release content, permission levels, and target destinations. JFrog distribution enables organizations to efficiently distribute software artifacts to distributed locations, including edge devices, remote offices, and customer sites. This ensures that software updates and releases are delivered quickly and reliably to end users, regardless of their location. With the JFrog distribution, organizations can easily manage and distribute different versions of their software artifacts. This allows them to maintain and multiple release channels, such as stable, beta, and testing and control, which version are distributed to different user groups. JFrog distribution integrates seamlessly within content delivery networks, CDNs, enabling organizations to leverage the scalability and performance benefits of a CDNs for artifact distribution. All this ensures a fast and efficient delivery of artifacts to end users, even during a period of high demand. JFrog distribution provides robust security and compliance features, ensuring that artifacts are distributed securely and in compliance with the industry regulations and internal policies. All this support for encrypted communication, access control, and audit trails, helping organizations maintain the integrity and confidentiality of your software distribution process. JFrog distribution offers a powerful automation and orchestration capabilities, allowing organizations to automate the entire artifact distribution process. This includes scheduling distribution jobs, defining distribution rules and policies, and integration within CI/CD pipelines and release management workflows, streamlining this software distribution process and reduce the manual effort. All these key benefits which we discussed on a JFrog distribution, an essential tool for organizations looking to streamline and scale their artifacts distribution process, ensuring a fast, reliable, and secure delivery of software updates and releasing to end users worldwide. Thank you for joining my JFrog platform introduction session, and I'm looking forward to continue my onboarding journey through the expansive world of our JFrog ecosystem. Later presentations, I will do a deep dive into each of these JFrog products and tools, exploring how they collectively enhance the ability to deliver high quality software securely.